पयलींचे तुमचे वांगडी आणि आतांचे बीजेपीचे प्रोबेबल कॅन्डिडेट दाजी सालकर मेड स्टेटमेंट ऑन वेरियस फ्रंट्स सो तेजेर कितें रिप्लाय करपाक जाय तुमकां he said that it was your fault that you did not do development, and then you are pushing blame on BJP and all that.
दाजी सालकर 2 दिन इश्यू आहे. दाजी सालकर सप्ताह टाइम दांबाबाईच्या नावावर पैसे गेले ते डिनाय करतो अजून डिनाय करणार. सेकंड दीपक नाईक दीपक इज दाजी स्पोक्समॅन. Deepak is talking about Daji's land scam. When Deepak himself has got some scam, I won't get them up. Deepak has become Daji's food. Daji's scam, land scam is on paper, black and white. They are Deepak kind. It's not allegation. It's a scam.
But he's saying that there is nothing, and you are simply raking up this issue for election purpose.
See, documents are showing everything. I'm not saying anything. Documents, you all can check documents.
But he said that if there is anything, why didn't you complain to the competent authority?
See, this is what is happening. The BJP government was helping him internally. We're helping him internally.
He said that Congress, this was done during Congress government, so Congress should have taken.
See, whatever it is a process. Somebody has to take action. Action will happen against him. The flaw he has transferred land to Delhi builder. That everybody should know. Not a goan build. Delhi builder sold Comunidade land.
What exactly is this issue? Can you just put more light?
So Comunidade जागा दाजीन गेला, दाजी बापान गेला. Comunidade जागा घेताना you can't transfer, you can't do it. You just commission 10 years. त्याने कोणा धोल्ला भितर आणि ते पैसे फारी करून गेला. That is wrong. See, who is at fault? That will come out slowly. And I show document, not allegation. Allegation and allegation is easy. I can do allegation.
But don't you think it will have a problem because 70 others he claims that also got benefited due to that?
No, I am talking about his claims. He's trying to mix up the issue now. Let him answer the media with the documents. I have no issue. दादी के सामने डॉक्यूमेंट में तो रिप्लाई करो. 70 लोग आते हैं